Hello, welcome back to the channel again. It's Wednesday afternoon. I did decide to come out and do a short walk along the seafront on high tide in Blackpool. It's horrendously windy here. Look at it. But we're going to walk up behind me up to the top, and then we'll walk along the seafront and show you the high tide coming in. Yeah, it's approaching 3:30. Yeah, we're just in North Shore here. Savoy Hotel here. Yeah, North Shore, Blackpool. It's a nice area here. As most of you know. But let's get up to the top and then we'll walk back down along the seafront. The Royal Boston over there. And then further up we've got the Elgin, the Doric. Yeah, that's the Elgin Mark Ellis showboat. And the Sherrington on the end. Right, now we're going to get down to another level now. Just sort of show you the ones that haven't seen these hotels for a while. There's that tower in the distance. Right, let's head down to these waves. We'll get you some shots. Yeah, it's about 3:30 now, so it's nearly high tide time. What a mixed up day, blue skies and sunshine, showers. She's certainly angry today. Just back at King Square now. just a bit higher up, just to show you some more of the footage. Right, I hope you enjoyed that footage. Hope you can hear me from North Shore in Blackpool. High tide. It's about approaching 4 o'clock now. Just a short video, but I said I would come out and show you high tide. Thank you for watching if you're here at the end, and I will catch you all again very soon. Bye bye for now.